Are you looking for a great phone but don't want to spend a fortune? Let me introduce you to the Samsung Galaxy S23. And yes, it is still amazing in 2026. First, it's compact, easy to hold with one hand, but still has that stunning 120-inch display. It's super smooth, bright, and perfect for everything you do. Super ganda talaga tong phone na to guys. So now ipakita ko sa inyo yung settings. Then of course, meron tayong pin at pwede ka na maglagay dyan ng pin, password, or face lock. So ikaw na lang bahala dyan. So punta tayo sa ating settings at ipakita ko sa inyo yung about phone para makita nyo talaga yung ano niya. So here, scroll down natin siya. So dito natin makikita guys sa about phone. So, ito na siya guys, Galaxy S23 at yung model niya. So, now is punta tayo sa ating camera. At ang pinaka the best guys, the camera is still captured two sharp details, great colors, and it takes amazing shots even in low light, perfect for memories or content creation. So, like us guys, we are a vlogger. So, this mobile perfect to us. So, I really recommend this to you guys. This Samsung Galaxy S23 perfect for our daily vlogs. So now ipakita ko sa inyo guys ang video niya. So ito yung camera. So kitang-kita mo talaga guys kung gaano kaganda. Plus nito guys, it fast battery last all day and you still get years of software updates. So it's basically a flagship experience without the brand new flagship price. So ganito siya kaganda guys yung Galaxy S23 natin. So, ayun lang guys. If you want to grab one at the best price, check the link in my description or comment section. I've got the latest deals there and buying through my links. Support my channel at no extra cost to you. So that's our review for Samsung Galaxy S23. Thank you so much guys for watching and see you in the next one. Have a blessed day.